most loved cricketers in the history of the game. One of the best ever, one of the greatest captains, and one of the greatest wicket-keeper batsmen ever. Please welcome M.S. Dhoni, ladies and gentlemen. Mahendra Singh Dhoni in the house. M.S., your thoughts?
Danny, first of all, thank you so much for the wonderful introduction. And congratulations to all the award winners. These are cricketers that I've played with for a lot of years. So it feels great to see the kind of success that these guys are enjoying. And, I keep talking about the fact that we must follow the correct process, follow the basics, take care of the controllables. And these guys have done exactly that. And you can see the kind of rewards they're getting. At the very same time, the hard work that these guys have put in is something that is truly an inspiration for the budding cricketers of the future generation.